everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Today is just going to be a short video where I unbox quarter 4 of the Coffee Monsters Co. subscription. So without further ado, let's just get into it. Every order from the store has a sticker that says who it was packed by, and this was packed by Mandy, so thank you very much. All orders also come with a envelope. If you watched my review, which I will link above, you'll know that back then when the subscription first started, it came in these envelopes, but I think enough fans wanted to keep using these envelopes, so Helen just decided to include it as a bonus gift. Now let's get into the main package. So this is the card that tells us the whole breakdown of the items in this package, and this is the illustration she has chosen. These are probably her own pencil drawings of the original designs before she perfected them and colored them in for the final product. And on the back you can see the price breakdown, and she includes a little blurb about the theme. So the theme of quarter 4 is fables and fairy tales. It is a collection of whimsical and nostalgic stories that take us back to when life was a bit simpler. Encouraged by your positive feedback from quarter 2, I incorporated more of my traditional sketches and watercolor paintings throughout. I hope playing with this bundle of stationery gives you a break from reality when you need it the most. I don't quite remember what quarter 2 was, but I remember I made a video about it, so I'll link it above if you're interested. And I do believe I was one of the people that was giving it positive feedback on Facebook. I really love her personal sketches because I think there's something so rustic about it. So I got the Pen Pals subscription. I used to only get Snail Mail and Washi Wizard, but then I decided that it would be easier to just combine both of them, so I just ended up getting the largest tier, which is Pen Pals, and that includes all the washi tape and all the stationery items. So I'm just gonna start with the stickers. This quarter came with 2 vinyls, one of a little emoji wearing a crown, and one of some emojis living in a storybook apartment. This is the washi card that she included with the subscription. It looks like a little cottage wall, and on the back there is a different design. This is a sheet of emoticons with little crowns, and you get 2 sets of those. Then you have a page of these "This Belongs To" stickers, so you can put them on your journals or whatever you would like. It's like made of craft paper material, and you get 2 sheets of her watercolor style drawings. And I just really like how muted the colors are. I always thought the way she drew bears was really unique. I've never seen them portrayed like this, and I really love these 2. This looks like a page of animal and other fairy tale icons, and this is just a sheet of like daydreaming and like ignoring reality, which is something we all need to do from time to time. I've never seen this item before. I think I've seen variations of it online. I think it might be like a sticker book. Oh, this is a really unique notebook. I thought it was just a normal sticker book at first, but then these tabs actually have little pockets, which make organizing so much easier. So I'm really glad that she included this item in the subscription. Though in between all the folders are like pages of sticker release paper, and then there are 4 pockets or tabs in total. So that's really nice and unique. Last of all, we have the washi tapes. You get 5 for this quarter. The first one is this irregularly cut out one with books and emojis. This is really thin. I feel like you don't get a lot of washi with this one, which is surprising. This washi tape also looks a bit thin, but I know she was doing something like that for her birthday sale because these do take forever to use up. Like, I have only reached the end of one of her washi tapes, so I kind of appreciate it. This is just some standard emoji heads. Then we have one about fairy tales. There's an emoji in a dragon onesie, an emoji reading, a fairy emoji with a crown, emoji with a key, with a sword, and another onesie dragon emoji. This one is some emojis in the woods with some woodland creatures like a sloth and a bear, which are really cute. Last one is another emoji heads. This is light green as opposed to this one, which was dark brown. So that is everything for the Coffee Monsters Co. quarter 4 subscription. This is the last subscription I will get for 2025, and I had to say I think it was a pretty good year. I think she got a lot of cool items like the pencil case from quarter 3. I've never seen that before, and now I have a really versatile sticker book in my collection as well. So I'm really happy with all the items. So if you like this video, please consider giving it a like and leaving a comment down below if you are a subscriber or if you are a fan of the Coffee Monsters Co. And I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye!